Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple roasted butternut squash recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. First, you're going to need just one large butternut squash, and then you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves that are minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And that is all you're going to need. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is with a fork, I'm just going to go ahead and poke the butternut squash all the way around. After poking it with the fork, now I'm going to go ahead and place this in the microwave for 3 minutes, which will make it a lot easier to peel. And after microwaving for 3 minutes, I went ahead and peeled it, and this is what it should look like. And now I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the ends. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut it down the middle like this, and then I'm going to be cutting it into 4 pieces. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the butternut squash into 1-inch thick pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the seeds out, and I'm also going to be cutting these into 1-inch thick pieces. So now I have my butternut squash in a bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and add the 3 garlic cloves that I went ahead and minced, the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to go ahead and toss it all together until it's well coated. Once it's well coated, I'm going to go ahead and transfer to a baking sheet. Now, I went ahead and greased my baking sheet with some Pam spray. You can use the butter Pam spray or the canola Pam spray. And I'm going to bake this on 400 for about 45 minutes. So I went ahead and preheated my oven, and I'm just going to pop these in, and they should be ready in about 45 minutes. Alrighty, so it's been about 45 minutes, and now my butternut squash is ready to serve. So this is a really easy dish to put together, and it's a great side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner or to take to a potluck. It's so easy to put together, and it's so delicious. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.